Now we're gonna find the area enclosed by the two functions f of x equal square root of x and g of x equals square root of 1 minus x. And as usual, these two functions are very simple to graph, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, the first one, f of x, is something like this, and the second one is defined when x is less than 1, so it's gonna be something like this. Okay, and we see that the two functions, they do intersect at this point, and we want to find the area enclosed by the two. So here, this is my area. This is 0, this is 1, and therefore I'm interested in finding this area. But first, let's find this point of intersection. So we're gonna solve square root of x is equal to square root of 1 minus x. Okay, taking the everything to the power 2, we get x is 1 minus x, and adding x to both sides, we get x is 1/2. Okay, so this is 1/2. Very important to note. Now when we try to integrate, okay, we see that we have between 0 and 1/2 we have a function, and between 1/2 and 1 we have a different function. Okay, we can just write the integral between 0 and 1 of which function is on the top. Okay, so we don't know which one is on top of the other. Okay, all we know is this is this is 1/2. So this is square root of 2 over 2. Pardon me, square root of 2 over 2, and we don't know which one is on top of the other. But between 0 and 1/2 we have a function, and between 1/2 and 1 we have a different function. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. This is the key to solving this problem. So we integrate between 0 and 1/2. So the function that's on top is the square root, and the function that's on the bottom is just 0. So here we have the integral between 0 and 1/2 square root of x dx plus the integral between 1/2 and 1 of which function is on top. It's the square root of 1 minus x, and which function is on the bottom is 0. So this is my integral. Okay, and it's not the area between 0 and 1 of which f and which g. So it's not the square root of x minus square root of 1 minus x dx, and it's not 0, 1 square root of 1 minus x minus square root of x dx. No, it's different, and we need to be aware of that. Okay, and we can simply compute this, let's call it I. We can integrate now, so we know we have a simple functions. Okay, so the key of this problem is to make you aware of these functions. So we have two functions, we're integrating for two different functions. Okay, and once we do the computation, we're gonna get this integral is gonna be square root of 2 over 3. Okay? I don't want to spend a lot of time computing just this one. So the key idea is that here between 0 and 1 I have the square root is the function on the top. Between 1/2 and 1 the function on the top is just the square root of 1 minus x, and the area is added. So this is my first area, this is my second area. If I do something like this, I might get 0. Okay, so the key is that we split the interval of integration. So we have between 0 and 1/2 and 1/2 and 1, and that's how we get the solution as the square root of 2 over 3 as the area here. Thank you very much.